After an 80-hour sail, we arrived at Kumar Island, a stunning remote stretch of land where you can anchor in complete silence and soak in the beauty of nature. Welcome back at Sailing at Bertha.
Good morning guys, right now we're at Kumar Island and this place is just amazing. So Kumar Island is an island that is really remote from the US. If you would go more south in Kumar Island, you have some facilities where you can fill up water, but the spot where we are on Anchorage doesn't have any facility. So we're just fully remote here. It's a really great sleep last night because last night we had a really long passage and also my nose is sick, so my nose is fully clogged and that didn't help at all while doing the passage. Normally when I'm doing 24 hours I'm just fine, but now I couldn't breathe, couldn't sleep, so it was really hard. But that's the thing with passage, every time you're doing it you know that you're gonna be in a good spot. We'll stay here for Thanksgiving because tomorrow on Friday we're going to celebrate Thanksgiving with another boat family, so that will be really cool. I'm really excited to meet them. The autopilot is still not working, so it's still hand steering. Also the AIS is not working, we cannot see the depth, we cannot see the speed, none of it. And this is the autopilot and that thing doesn't work either. It's getting warmer and warmer guys, I mean even now it's really warm already. So last night when we did passage, it was so cold. I don't know what it was, but there was just this cold breeze coming from north and that made it even harder. But yeah, that's the thing, you know. Now we're on an anchorage where there is literally no wind, and today also it's 29 degrees here. I think that's 85 Fahrenheit. If you look back in the Netherlands, it's literally 4 degrees maybe, and it's the 26th of November and I'm just chilling here without a shirt. So this is our anchorage. It's really beautiful. We're literally in a canal and everywhere where you look is just a swamp. How to sneak into a boat.
What? Ain't nobody got time to walk around.
I said how to sneak into a boat.
We spent the day here mostly getting ready for the next sail. Before heading towards St. Augustine, I celebrated my first Thanksgiving in America.
So we are about to receive from our bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen. Chris, just what?
First Thanksgiving, guys.
How nice our boat looks.
He says our boat looks nice. It's covered in birch now.
You should respond.
Okay.
And be your typical like pessimistic. It's never perfect, and there's always something wrong, and we don't have a good boat.
Guys, I'm recording.
Well, that's pretty typical for Thanksgiving.
That's.
It was time to leave Kumar Island. My mentor taught me how to work together with the crew and how to maneuver the boat while bringing in the anchor.
6-7! Bye guys!
After saying goodbye to our friends, we continued our sailing trip with a new plan in mind.
So the plan now is we're continuing south to get towards Fort Lauderdale to have the lightning damage checked out. But our next stop is St. Augustine, Florida, which is a really, really cool historical town in the United States. We're looking at a roughly 75 nautical mile passage, and we're going overnight, and it's going to be between 14 and 16 hours. We're timing it this way, leaving at night, because we want to be able to get through the St. Augustine Inlet close to slack tide, because it can be challenging to navigate getting through. We're also meeting up with some friends for lunch in town tomorrow afternoon, and it should be fun.
No, we were. Like, there were some huge, massive freaking things. Like, they're bouncing. St. Augustine has always been like this, though. Frick yeah. That looks like so much fun. I want to be in that boat. Whee! Sploosh. Oh my gosh. Dude. Dude.
Oh, that's so fun.
So how are the captains doing?
We are ready to be not moving anymore.
Yeah?
We're hoping they have our board home. So
Yeah.
we can just pull and grab it.
Fingers crossed.
To go anchor.
Let's not anchor.
We're probably gonna have to,
Yay!
because checkout really isn't until 11.
Yeah.
But the good news is we are in the North Mooring Field again, so we don't have to wait for the bridge.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
We arrived at the mooring field and it was time to secure the boat. Since it was my first time, I didn't know what I was doing, so I asked for help.
No, she's good. Be some slack so you can pull it over there. Great. Good work, guys. I know that was a little crazy, but
So the whole day we have been on the boat. Everyone took a shower, and now because we have been so long on the boat, it's time to get off the boat, because I want to be productive, I want to see St. Augustine, and I just want to do something. So now we're heading to shore and we're gonna explore the beautiful city St. Augustine. The first time for me. How many times is it for you?
my fourth.
Nice.
Like, literally, I can see the front. Water? Okay.
Yeah.
The one that's like right there.
We met up with other sailors and everyone was very hungry, because none of us had eaten yet. When they arrived with food, we were still tired from the sailing trip. So we decided to go back to the boat and call it a day, even though it had just begun.
I just dug in. I already dug in. This is a good anxiety this thing. It's good.
So guys, this is really interesting actually. I think it was 2015 when I got this game from my mother. Or 2014 when I was 15. And it turns out that this fort behind me is something that I remembered from Assassin's Creed 3. Because where is St. Augustine? And there is a fort in St. Augustine that was also in Assassin's Creed. So my girlfriend Emma asked me. I said to her, could you look it up? I think she did it by herself. And it turns out that this one behind me is in Assassin's Creed. So really cool that I can visit this. So it's really cool that I can visit this place. So it's really cool. I mean, look at it. Sick, man. So our recommendation is when you go and visit the busy street, you will have ice cream shops everywhere. And the thing is, you need to look for a specific good one. So we were walking down the aisle, like the whole streets, and they were like everywhere, but they're like more cliche and just to catch
Very
money.
busy.
Yes, exactly.
Very busy.
And then we stumbled across this one, who was just in a side street.
Yeah, side street, little avenue kind of place.
Yeah.
Mayday. It's absolutely lovely. The staff here is perfect. It's beautiful.
So we're gonna enjoy this. Mayday ice cream. Thank you for this.
Which flavors did you go with? You went with
Strawberry.
cookies.
Yeah. You wanna taste?
That is really good. You want any of this?
That was not. It was like a scrape. Did you taste it really well?
I tasted
Okay.
it. The look of like, bruh. What do you mean?
St. Augustine ended up being a really special stop for us. After some long and cold passages, it gave us a chance to slow down, wander a beautiful old town, and simply enjoy being there together. Between good company, great food, and the glow of Christmas lights, it became a quiet reminder of how lucky we were to share this trip. With only a week left aboard SV Orion, we'll catch you in the next one as we sail the final stretch and take on whatever comes next.